Hello?
Oh, hi. I'm just calling about your Craigslist ad, the matching tables.
Yeah, hold on just a moment.
Just have a couple quick questions.
Okay, sure. What do you need to know?
Oh, I don't know. They looks like the same picture. That there are really two of them.
Oh, there's definitely two. They're a matching pair. I just put the same picture twice because the other picture isn't. It just doesn't. It's not as in focus as the other one. So, but I mean, they both look identical. So there's
Okay.
definitely two of them.
If you cough again into the phone, can you just not do that? It really hurts my ears when you do that, though. Thanks.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you coughed into my ear. I mean, I was just saying,
I'm
can you
sorry.
just not?
Call somebody else for some tables, okay?
Hey, wait just a sec, though. Um.
Oh God.
Wow, what a bitch.